Hey up, it's coming to that season again, Halloween. People make them jack-o'-lanterns. I've made one or two myself over a period of time, this kind of thing, with a little light inside. But I've made some of these as well. This is my kind of take on it. One of these where the face is removable. You can put different faces on if you want. Just magnetise at the front and you put lights inside. So this particular one I made on my little CNC. I have made them in the past where I've done them with a scroll saw, so they're quite easily enough to make with that. But because I've got a little CNC, I've cut it out that way. So it makes life a little bit easier. So let's show you how I made it. Right, what I've got here is some of these little earth magnets. I'm just going to stick them into these holes with a bit of super glue. This paint that I use is just cheap acrylic stuff from pound shops or I mean that was three tubes for £5. That was £2 for the tube. It's only cheap stuff. Right, what I've got here is like one of them string lights. They're just a cheap thing. I think they're about, I can't remember now, about £10 for about 20 of these, off Amazon or eBay or something. Anyway, that's it. Another video done. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. And hopefully I'll see you on my next video. Thanks a lot.